Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please join me and today you will see how to crochet amazing project with beads. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn. And beads. Let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet the cord. I will begin from the segment. Make a chain. Pull up the working loop. Take a bead, put it on the hook. Grab the working loop, pull it through. Make a chain with bead. Continue. Make a chain of 5 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the chain stitch, as I did before. Make a slip stitch and pull it. Continue 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the chain stitch. Make a slip stitch. My base for the segment is ready. I crochet very strong. Continue working on the segment. Continue, make a chain, yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the same stitch. Make half double crochet. Make 5 half double crochet stitches. Insert the hook into the chain space and thread. Make half double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Work with the opposite chain space. Make 5 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I skip the chain stitch. Insert the hook into the half double crochet. Make a slip stitch and pull it. My first segment is ready. Continue. Chain of 2. Turn the work. Here is my chain space. Make a slip stitch. Here what I have at this point. This is the another side. Let's look at the back. It could be perfect for the brooch. Let's crochet the second segment. Make a chain for the next segment. Take a bead, put it on the hook. Take the working loop, pull it through. Make a chain. Then chain of 5 for the chain space. You should crochet strongly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the chain stitch. Make a slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the chain stitch. Make a slip stitch. The second base is ready. Here how it looks. I continue working. Make a chain and half double crochet into the same stitch, and 5 half double crochet into the chain space. Work with thread and chain space. Make 5 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Work with the opposite chain space. Make 5 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Work with the first stitch. Make the slip stitch. The second segment is ready. Chain of 2, and now insert the hook into the chain space. Make a slip stitch. My second segment is ready. Here how it looks. You can use them to create earring. Make a chain, pull up the working loop, take a bead, put it on the hook. I began the third one. Take a bead, put it on the hook. Grab the working loop, pull it through, make a chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And work with the slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the chain stitch. Make a slip stitch. So continue working as many times as you need for your current project. Once I have done the slip stitch, I have already cut off my yarn. To secure the yarn by making a chain and pull it. If you would like to get jewelry, please leave a long piece of yarn to sew the stuff for the jewelry. Let's look at my ready project. This is the back side. It is very easy and fast in the same time. You can choose any kind of beads. In my case, I am crocheted very strongly. For this project, I used a ball of yarn and a crochet hook and beads. You can choose your favorite color of yarn and your favorite crochet hook to create your personal project, and choose your favorite beads. This is my own pattern. You can use it like a decoration, and it could be a part of big projects such as lace. For example, you could use one segment for the brooch or earring or pendant. For example, I have done exact cord but used another color of yarn. All additional information about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. See you next time, and please write comment below this video what you will get with me. Here how it looks on my hand. Bye!